Hello, today I would like to present you this quite interesting vintage Polish aircraft radio that was mounted inside Soviet Antonov aircraft. It is a remote control head, so it's the part that was mounted in your cockpit, and the RF unit with all the antenna equipment was mounted in different section of the aircraft, so we do not have any RF connectors here. We've got just those control pins. Because I do not have rest, we've got no possibility to power it on and try it out even with the radio analyzer, but we can make a visual guess what's going on the front panel. So first that you are going to be noticing, everything is made out of metal and it is made of superb quality, and that's because in general avionic equipment is extremely expensive. They had to withstand extreme conditions, so in generally they are made even better than military grade equipment, like all the soldering is just extremely nice. And we can take a look at the front panel. So first thing that we can see is that beautiful LED segment display that's most likely is going to be showing our frequency. I have feeling that this form factor is pretty standardized and you could retrofit a different radio in that spot, so you just insert it into location and screw it down. Most likely that's because it is just a control head, so they've got like a standardized dimensions. Here we've got our keyboard that've got backlit because we can clearly see there are gaps between the label, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be nicely backlit. We've got our C letter that I would assume is going to be canceling our input if we make mistake. Here we've got what I would assume is going to be our volume control. The SQ, I would assume, is going to be squelch, the on-off. Then we've got that switch that's got manual in center. I would assume this is going to be allowing us to directly enter frequency in the AM aviation band. STO sounds like store, and most likely you could set frequency and program it into memory. And RCL, I would assume is going to be recall and will just give you a frequency that was stored inside. I'm not sure if it is channelized or if you can be like on the ground plate, you could enter your air tower frequency and then you can do a different thing and you can basically recall it quickly. I'm not sure if it is channelized. If you know that, then please let me know. Sadly, looks like this is everything that we can do without having the RF unit and proper documentation, because I've got no idea how to even power it on, so I'm not going to be trying out and I'm not planning to open it to try to figure out where is the power and what should be the correct voltages. So it is a display piece. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.